Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to toggle PXE Boot to LAN feature on this laptop. First, power on your laptop by pressing the power button and then start repeatedly pressing F2 key in order to enter the BIOS menu. Once you see the BIOS menu in front of you, you can stop clicking the F2 button, then go to the boot tab right here and switch this option to whichever you like next to the PXE boot to LAN option in order to either enable or disable it. To apply settings, press F10 and then enter, and to discard them press escape and then select no if you are asked. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.